Hi, Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and we are on the Enchanted Princess today, and we're on Aloha Deck 12, and we're walking down here. In case you didn't know, they have passenger photos adorning the halls. Now somewhere on this ship are 2 or 3 of my photos. You should find them. Anyway, Port Monkeys are on board. We're in A215. This is a mini suite, and that light should light up green like that. Mini suites have 4 switches and this little card, and I'm guessing that needs to be in there for the lights to go on, but I think all the rooms have it already in there. And of course the first thing we're going to come to is one of those. This must be an adjoining room. It's got this little stand table and another one of those. Big closet. Well, maybe that's not a big closet. Plenty of coat hangers. Shelf. Of course, it's got a lot of life preservers on it, but there's plenty of room. Double cabinet doors. Safe. Lots of shelves. We've already moved in here and we haven't used but half the shelves, half the drawers. There's too many. This is the bathroom, and it's got a mirror, shelves, outlet for your razor, soap, lotion, tissues, toilet paper, toilet of course, and look at that, a bathtub, yeah. So this is water temperature, this is water pressure, this is to switch between shower and tub. It's got a clothesline, hooks in there. I'm going to say all cruise bathrooms have a clothesline. Shampoo and conditioner mixed, more soap. And towels hanging there, and a tub. And there's a mat rolled up here, trash can. Nice bathroom, nice sized for a cruise ship. Let's go out here. Thermostats on ships don't have numbers. There's blue for cold and red for warm. I've been told that there is only air conditioners. There aren't heaters. What you do is you just turn off the air. But I don't know if that's true. That's just what somebody told me. It's pretty cold in here right now. The movies on the TV are all relatively old. I mean, do you remember Avatar or Black Widow? I mean, that's a couple years old. Burnt Orange Heresy, I'm not familiar with, so I don't know how old that is. But, you know, there's a lot of them. I mean, we can go down. This is not letting me go across. There it goes. So there's a lot of movies to choose from. But man, Ford versus Ferrari, that's a couple. That's fairly recent, Free Guy. I've already seen it though. When we're on Princess anyway, we watch reruns of The Love Boat. And we've seen most of them now. It's got Janet.
Hi. Look up here.
Look at coiffured ceilings, I guess. Anyway, USB port on the lamps on the nightstand. It's got 2 drawers, little cubby hole there, 4 light switches there to turn off all the lights I turned on. Light switch there for that one. Let's move back. Of course, we put our luggage underneath the bed. Bed is pretty comfortable. Lots of pillows. The pillows, I could use fatter, thicker, firmer pillows. But anyway, and you get like an extra nightstand with more drawers and another cubby and more room. This, of course, has a couch because it's a mini suite. I don't know. That folds into a bed. I'm going to guess that folds out into a queen size bed, but boy, there wouldn't be much room left, right? Does have a chair, lots of drawers, blow dryer, lots of little shelves, curtains. So somebody can go in there, pull the curtains, have lights on in here. You won't see them in here, I guess, is the idea anyway. Nice big TV, at least 32 inch. And a TV over here with a remote. So 2 TVs, no waiting. Refrigerator. We've of course filled it up with junk. It's nice and cold in there. You got this little shelf up here, this big desk, counter, whatever you want to call it, which we've piled all our junk on. We always travel with one of these. It's a USB hub. European, I guess. Somewhere else. European, US. And covered up here, another US outlet. Okay, so remember that, because if they do that, you're not going to see it. That's the phone. That's the phone. So, drawers, refrigerator, coffee table with a shelf. This is one of the artwork that would be out in the halls. One of the pictures. Catherine F. So those are on the inside. Out here we have a balcony. If I had to say something or anything, I would say this balcony is not big enough. We were in a balcony cabin up on deck 17 by the retreat pool, and the balcony was at least that much bigger, at least. Because if I recline this chair, even to the first notch, I'm hitting, and there's not a lot of room for my legs. So, if I'm going to lay completely down, I'm going to have to turn the chairs this way, right, side by side, and then that table's going to be in the way. But it's a big table. The other room didn't have as big a table. Anyway, we are on a transatlantic crossing, and we're about halfway. So we are, geographically speaking, in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. So, Gareth from Port Monkeys saying, "Port Monkeys out. Let me get in the light." Port Monkeys out. See you in the next port. Bye. Dolphin Deck 9, which is the quarantine zone. See that? Must also be the art storage room and art storage foyer, right? Anyway, Dolphin Deck 9.